Hiya. That guy's on his phone. I tell you, he is. I saw him leaning down. Right, maybe you can explain that to your boss. Would you like to explain your phone use to your boss?
Oh, sorry, I do apologise.
It's there, yeah, I saw it. Your eyes were down. It's unacceptable, man. In a park like this, right?
I watch your channel all the time as well.
And you still did it? Right in the area.
I should know better. I do apologise.
Man, it's horrifying.
Please.
I have to think about it.
Please.
Can't be doing it, man.
It's an absolute moment of mishaps.
You got to park to do that. If you'd parked, I wouldn't have given you know. Even if you're not supposed to park along here.
As well, I see. I'm such a fan as well. I do apologise. If you could have any grace, I would be massively grateful.
I'll be honest with you, it's not likely, but I promise I'll have a think about it over the next few hours.
On my mother's life, I will never do it.
The number of people who've told me something like that.
I can imagine, but
you have a good day.
Please have a bit of faith. I promise you I'll never do it again.
Yeah, I don't know. Have a good day.
Please.
Even if you stopped and parked here, I would have been fine. I wouldn't have said a word. Even if the engine had been running and you were properly stopped, I would have said nothing.
Yeah, no,
alright.
I do understand. Please though, because it's my
I have to think about it, but you know, I'll be honest with you and say it's not likely.
Please, Mike.
Alright, mate. You have a good day. The most I'm promising is I'll think about it over the next couple of hours. I mean, why would, just because he watches my channel, why would I let him off? You know, he watches my channel, he's stupid enough to do in the area he sees most of my videos in. I don't think that's a person who's going to change. Despite his niceness,